Hello from room 5033 at Half Moon Hotel near Montego Bay, Jamaica. It's looking quite stormy overhead. I'm in one of the new rooms that is part of a new but old looking, traditional looking, 2-floor plantation house. There are other rooms upstairs. I'm downstairs, however, and I'm going to show you. It is gorgeous. Look at the lush Rousseau-type undergrowth. Let's come in to the room, and here we are. I've got 2 beds. I've got an overhead fan. I've got some USBs here on the top of the bureau. I've got a lovely bag from Preferred. What else have I got here in the main room? Well, we'll see. Have I got any? Yes, I've got 2 USBs here. Bedside, very good. And now I'm going to go on through and around. It's very classic, and it's new, but it doesn't look new, which is so good. And very simple, and no password internet connection, which is always a good plus. Master switch, and this is the bathroom with the safe in the lowest drawer there. Coming on round, and you can see double sink. Oh, by the way, I forgot to point out the tea and coffee and the empty minibar, which is a good idea. People can bring their own stuff. And this is the indoor shower that I can turn on without getting wet. And bliss oh bliss, come out here, and I've got an outdoor shower too, with an enormous head looking into the undergrowth here at Half Moon Bay.